Taking a standard Dodge Durango and morphing it into an unstoppable off-road monster is no small feat. First, the team strips the vehicle down to its bones, fortifying the chassis with state-of-the-art reinforced steel. To tackle rugged terrains effortlessly, they install an advanced suspension lift kit, allowing for greater ground clearance. Aggressive, oversized mud terrain tires are added, coupled with a custom-made all-wheel drive system for supreme traction. Under the hood, a turbocharged V8 engine takes center stage, unleashing a horsepower boost fit for thrilling adventures. The final touches, a robust skid plate and an integrated LED light bar, ensure that whether day or night, this beast can conquer any trail in its path.